Can you, friends? Lunches, twits, please.
Well, Prime Minister, it's my privilege to welcome you here to Chequers today. And the history between our two countries is close, it is deep, and it is really important to me and to both of our countries. And last autumn, you and I agreed that we would take the relationship to another level with real ambition about the future between our two countries. And I am really pleased that today we are delivering on that, because today is taking the relationship to that other level. It is a step change in our relationship with the trade agreement that we have. We're ready to sign this morning, that's been negotiated. And thank you very much to your team for all the hard work that sits behind that. That will be measured in economic boost to both of our economies and to jobs and businesses in both of our countries. And then on top of that, we have the comprehensive partnership, strategic partnership between our two countries, which then layers in defense, security, and tech and education, all issues of huge and important concern to both of us. So I'm really pleased and privileged to welcome you here today on what I consider to be a historic day for both of our countries, and the delivery of the commitment that we made to each other that we would take this relationship to another level. And today we do that. So you're very, very welcome. Thank you very much. And over to you.
एक्सेलेंसी, मैं हृदय से आपका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ इस भव्य स्वागत के लिए, भव्य सम्मान के लिए। और चेकर में आज एक नया इतिहास रचने हम जा रहे हैं, और भारत और यूके मिलकर के एक नए इतिहास की नींव डाल रहे हैं।
Excellency, first of all, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for this grand reception that you have given to me. And today we are going to create history in Chequers. India and UK together is going to lay the foundation of a new way ahead.
एक्सेलेंसी, इस एक वर्ष में हमें तीसरी बार मिलने का मौका मिला है। ये अपने आप में मैं इसे बहुत महत्वपूर्ण मानता हूँ। और यूके और भारत, हम एक प्रकार से नेचुरल पार्टनर।
Excellency, in the past 1 year, we have met 3 times. I think that speaks a lot for itself. And India and UK are natural partners.
आज हमारे संबंधों का एक ऐतिहासिक दिन है। आज हम दोनों देश मिलकर के पारस्परिक लाभकारी FTA और डबल कंट्रीब्यूशन कन्वेंशन इसको संपन्न करने जा रहे हैं। ये अपने आप में भारत और यूके भावी पीढ़ी के लिए एक बहुत मजबूत रास्ता तैयार कर रहा है।
Excellency, today is a historic day for our bilateral relationship. Today, we are concluding a mutually beneficial free trade agreement and also the Double Contribution Convention. This will lay a strong foundation for the future generations of Indians and people from the UK.
व्यापार और उद्योग के क्षेत्र में ये एक नया अध्याय जुड़ रहा है। हमारे किसान, हमारे MSMEs, हमारे युवा, मैं समझता हूं के लिए अनेक नए अवसर पैदा हुए हैं। इतना ही नहीं, 21वीं सदी ये टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन सदी है। ऐसे में भारत और यूके के युवा, उसमें भी स्किल्ड युवा की मिलकर के एक नए विश्व के निर्माण में बहुत बड़ा योगदान देंगे।
Excellency, today we are writing a new chapter in our trade, economic and industrial cooperation. This will open up new possibilities for our farmers, MSME and youth. The 21st century is a century that will be driven by technology. Here, the youth of India and Britain, especially the skilled youth, have the potential to create a new world for themselves.
21 सदी की टेक्नोलॉजी नित्य नूतन इनोवेशन की अपेक्षा करती। जब यूके और भारत के स्किल युवा, उनका दिमाग, उनका हुनर जुड़ जाता है तो विश्व के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी विकास की गारंटी प्रोवाइड करता है।
Excellency, the 21st century requires constant innovation. When the intellect and the passion of the youth of our two countries combine, they will be able to create a new world and create innovation.
इससे रोजगार बढ़ेगा, एक प्रकार से स्किल मोबिलिटी को बल मिलेगा, और मैं समझता हूं कि विजन 2035 उसको हमारी जो कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप है उसको नई गति मिलेगी, नई ऊर्जा मिलेगी।
Excellency, another important aspect is related to skill mobility, and another aspect is the Vision 2035 of our comprehensive strategic partnership, which will infuse new energy and momentum into our ties going forward.
ऐसा तो मैं फिर एक बार आप पर हृदय से बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। इस शानदार शुरुआत में भारत और यूके की एक भागीदारी को मजबूती देने में आपकी बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है। मैं आपका बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं।
Excellency, I would like to thank the role that you thank you for the role that you have played in laying this grand beginning for our bilateral relationship. I would also congratulate you on your contributions.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Devi. Thank you. Thank you.